Testing, 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 testing. Okay, today we're going to be going in on how to delete your cache in your UMNTV Microsoft Android PC TV box. This box is only available at umntv.net. The brand and the actual hardware can be found on Amazon, eBay, or anywhere on the internet. But the custom software version, the UMNTV version, can only be found on UMNTV. Now, when you get your box, it's going to look similar to this. I've been, using the heck out of my box, and so today I'm just going to show you how to clear the cache. Some people can pronounce it cache. Some people pronounce it cochi, but it's actually pronounced cache. Because this type of data is literally worth money and literally worth cash. In my own personal opinion, I believe that when you're mining bitcoins, you're actually going to get cash, and you're rounding up cash, and you're pretty much using bits of data. That's my own personal opinion. I have nothing to back that up. I never heard anybody say that. That's my own personal opinion. But what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is you want to go down to your hidden menu. You have a hidden menu down here on the left corner. If you click on it, you can see it comes up and it has the time. Now, I use a certain type of keyboard. Now, I suggest you use a mouse or some type of keyboard, because many of these functions will be very difficult to deal with without it. So what you do is you open up your UMNTV application. Now, as you can see, it's now displayed right here on your taskbar. Now, hold down on your left click and the menu should come up. And the menu says App Info. You go to App Info, and then your side menu comes up, and you go right here. It says clear data or clear cache. Now, if you clear data, what you're doing is you're clearing the whole data. You have to do this so often to every device that you have. Especially this. This will let you know, because it only has 2 gigabytes. This version only has 2 gigabytes of memory. So it will let you know when it's time to delete it if you start experiencing some type of glitching. Now, then it says delete clear cache. Now, I done seen these boxes act up with just a little bit as 13 megabytes of cache, depending on what else you were doing. So if you was just playing a video game and you was just doing something else, and you go into your UMNTV and it might be acting up, and then if you might see, hey man, I only got 12 megabytes of cache in there. Delete that, and then reboot, and it will act a whole lot better. We've been selling these boxes for a while. There hasn't been nothing or no complaints that we cannot fix or cannot teach people how to do. But this is the most simplest way. And so you go in there and you press clear cache. Now on your mouse, when you click the back side of OK, this is one of the annoying things about the box. But when you click the back side of OK, your cursor turns into an I-beam. And so this is a little annoying. So what I found out, if you go in the front where the O is at, and just press OK, and you see it will also bring down your data as well, and your cache return to 0. Now, I want to do a little bit of math and kind of teach you some things, because when you have 1,000 megabytes, that's 1 gig. So 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So if your cache is pushing 3, 4, 500, I'm pretty sure you're going to have a bad experience. So it is best to keep it clean, and that's the most simplest way I can show you and teach you uh, how to clean your cache. There's multiple ways, but the main way is to get to this menu um, by by way of your taskbar. Okay. Now, with that being said, um, what we're going to do now is we're going to go into a little bit of retro gaming. Now, I know the average user uh, will not probably deal with retro gaming, but because we're in a space that we're in like our own lane in our own space. Most people are familiar with the Fire Stick, and the Fire Stick is a very good device. It does what it's supposed to do. It does it really well. It is not it's not a bad thing or anything, and it's in its own space. And so what we're trying to compete with in our space is multi-user friendly. So that means we want gamers, we want movie watchers, we want live streamers. We get a whole nother market, even though most people are just simple TV and movie watchers. But sometimes you don't know what type of user you are only if you can actually have that option. So having the option to play video games, to play chess, to go live, to practice e-learning, having these options, you never know, one day you just might open this box up and say, you know what, I'm going to try something different. I seen something on TV, and you might just literally be stuck. Now, what I usually do is I started playing a game of chess. So chess is something that I used to play in high school. I never got good, so I'm actually a rookie chess player. But because I'm such a weirdo, and I'm kind of a weirdo that I'm actually good at chess, I'm actually ranked a 700. So I'm going to go up in here. I'm going to log into my profile through my Gmail. This is something that I play. So anybody is chess player, you can download chess online, and you can add me, and we can play chess together. I like to play on my TV. I'm bad on my TV, but I'm pretty decent. I'm pretty decent on the computer. For some reason, on the TV, I'm garbage. But when I play on my computer, I'm a lot better. And if you can see, let me see, what is my ranking? I'm going to take the taskbar off. Here go my stats right here. Let me see. Where's my rank? Now, the reason why the reason why this is worth telling people is because I'm a rookie chess player. I'm actually not, like, I never took the time out to actually learn how to play. So if you play me, I still make rookie mistakes, but I am so good that it's crazy. So I'm just gonna go here, and I'm gonna show you my ratings. And so I see, as you can see, my ratings right here, Ty Data, I'm a 706, and I'm a rookie. I'm playing against a guy that's a 745. And I'll be, especially over in India, I'll be smashing them in India. I'll be smashing them in Brazil, Israel. I'll be smashing these people. And I'm a rookie. But sometimes I do make a lot of rookie mistakes. I make a lot of rookie mistakes. I'm aboard this game. I make a lot of rookie mistakes, though. But technically, I am a rookie. As you can see, that's my ranking. So if anybody want to challenge Ty Data in the game of chess, especially if you have the UMNTV box, going to your going to here to your APK Purifile, and just download the chess, and then search for friends or anything. You can add me. But today we're going to get a little retro gaming in. As you can see, I have pretty much a Super Nintendo controller. It's a USB. It's something you get off Amazon very cheap. It would be nice if I can, have some of these. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play a little bit of Mike Tyson Punch Out, and then we're just going to head out. So retro gaming is something that's, you know, it's something the average user would never do, but for those users who for 50 or something dollars who have that option, definitely check some of the retro gaming out. It's a great time saver, and it's also good to teach some of your kids the first type of games before they get into the weirdo games or whatever. So I'm gonna go here, and I was playing earlier. We finna play some Mike Tyson Punch Out. I'm a little rusty, but I'm pretty decent though. Pretty decent. So as you can see, I was playing, and so but while playing, what I'm gonna do is I want to listen to some trap music. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here to my hidden menu. Now, most of you have a hidden. All of the boxes have a hidden menu right here in the center, the upper center. If you go right here and you click, mine's is a little over here just because I use it a lot. But if you click right here, you will see this menu coming up right here. This is a menu right here. And so this comes up on any game, anything that you do, this always comes up. And so normally yours will have YouTube up in here, but because I'm a developer, I do different things, and so my options are a little bit different. These are customizable. So what I'm also going to do, so I'm going to go to, hold on one second. I'm going to go to here, and it's going to give me some options. And so it's going to give me a button. And so I'm going to go to YouTube right here. Now, while playing, Mike Tyson Punch Out, I'm going to listen to some trap beats, and hopefully YouTube don't block me for it. Let's see. So let's go. Oops, my bad. I put the Q up in there. Here we go. So we're going to go and search for some trap beats, and then I'm going to go ahead, and then we're going to play some now I'm going to go ahead and lighten this up because I want to be able to see behind me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, and I'm going to lighten that up. Lighten that up so I can actually see behind the menu. So I'm going to go here, and we're going to click on some trap beats. So give me 1 second while I scroll down and see what type of trap beats they got on YouTube. Let me set my. I know this might look a lot of, probably look a little confusing at home, but it is what it is. And so these are the type of things, and these are the type of options. I know the average user would never use this stuff, but keep in mind, we're trying to give you the best bang for your buck. In that $40 to $80 range.
Just at home, staying safe with my family, working hard.
And also, by the way, I'm not even on Ethernet. I'm not even on Ethernet. My computer that I'm live streaming from is on Ethernet.
Of our purpose. Serving 20,000 families each month.
So I'm going to pause that. I'm not even on Ethernet. So this is Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and.
Home is everything.
Get the commercial out the way. And let's go into some trap beats. And we finna play us some, here we go, let's go. Mike Tyson Punch Out. Let's go. Oop, I just hit that menu. Let's go. I'm on Piston Honda. Ooh, this is second Piston Honda, I think. You get knocked out, buddy. Ooh, he stole him. I got you. I got you. I'm drawing this dude. I'm drawing him. Uh-oh. He finna go back and do his little punch. I still remember how to knock him out. Oh. Oh, man, I hit him, man. They cheating. Oh, man, I hit that dude, man. He's supposed to fall out. You see that? They gave me a star, though. Took it away. I stole on. Get your big ass out of here. There we go. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. As you can see, this box, and we're gonna be, exploring more things. And there's only one place you can find this: UMNTV.net. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and we out of here. Peace.